How to connect TikTok Shop to Ads Manager. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to manage your ads in TikTok. Now in TikTok, they already have an ad manager specifically for helping you manage your ads for your TikTok products or your TikTok videos. So as you can see right now, I'm currently in my homepage, and over here on the left side, if you look through the different tools that we have available over here, Shop Ads is part of those options. So simply select Shop Ads, and you will be able to see here the section where you will be able to actually manage and create different ads for your TikTok shop. So as you can see here, you could either create product shipping ads or shopping ads, or you could create custom ads over here. There will be a guide over here on the different types of ads that you create. You have product shopping ads, video shopping ads, and live shopping ads. So you could easily check out the different information over here. Now, some of these options will not be available, but you can easily create them as you can see here by clicking on create. There you go. You will be able to see all of this information. So you can easily create an ad over here. But make sure that you have a product, of course, because you will need a product to promote. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.